Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I present with the new video. That topic is voice. Dear student, we have in previous video we have already discussed about simple present tense of affirmative sentence. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस के बारे में हम लोग ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. नाउ निगेटिव सेंटेंस आर दो सेंटेंस दैट इज निगेटिव फॉर्म, दैट इज इन निगेटिव फॉर्म. इट मीन्स नॉट इज देयर. निगेटिव सेंटेंस में नॉट ऑलरेडी रहता ही है. देन एक्टिव वॉइस ऑफ निगेटिव सेंटेंस इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट सब्जेक्ट, देन डज नॉट और डू नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस अदर वर्ड. दीज रूल्स वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस when we study the tense. After that, passive voice. Passive voice, when we convert in passive voice, the rule is first we write object का subjective case plus according to object is MR is written plus not plus verb third form plus by plus subject का object plus other. Dear student, in my previous video some student asked about what is subjective case and what is objective case. So this is a chart that shows this is subjective case and this is objective case. He का objective case him, she का her, they का them, I का me, we का us. This is subjective case and objective case. So here is the some example that describe about these rules. Objective case is I do not complete my homework. This is the sentence is in negative sentence. When we convert this sentence into passive voice, then first we write my homework. Then my homework is the singular. Then we write is. Then not, then third form of the verb, then by, then me. Objective case of I is me, so I write me. Okay student? Now second sentence is she does not sing a song. Okay? Passive voice of this sentence is a song is not sung by her. A song is the object, so we write object. Then is a song is the singular, so I write is. Then not, then sing. Third form of sing is sung. And by and her. Her is the objective case of she. So I write her. Okay student, I hope you understand these rules very clearly. Okay. Now we discuss the rule of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence are of two types. First type is yes/no type of interrogative, and second type is WH type of interrogative sentence. So student, for the rule of yes no type of interrogative sentence. Okay, yes no type of interrogative sentence are those sentences that we answer with yes or no. उसका आंसर हम लोग यस या नो में दे सकते हैं. That sentence is known as yes no type of interrogative sentence. And when we discuss about yes no type of interrogative sentence, we know that it is a form with the helping verb does or do. Does or do का पहले यूज करके उसको बनाते हैं. So I have already discussed when we study about tense. That time we have discussed this rule. So first we write does or do according to subject plus first form of the verb plus object plus other word plus question mark. It is a formation of yes no type of interrogative sentence under simple present tense. Okay student? Now when we form passive voice PV, short form is PV. When we convert in passive voice, first we write is am are according to object. Object के according is am are write करते हैं. Then it is not negative. Then it is as only interrogative. Then we write third form of the verb plus by plus subject plus other word plus question mark. Okay student, here we have some example that describe about these rules. First example is, do you finish your project? It means क्या तुम अपना प्रोजेक्ट फिनिश कर लिए हो? Then when we convert into passive voice, this is in active voice, and when we convert into passive voice, first we write is am or according to object. Object के according is am or लिखते हैं. तो your project it is a singular, then we write is. And then third form of the verb, third form of finish is finished by you, and at last question mark. So passive voice is your project finished by you? Okay. Now we discuss the rule of WH type interrogative sentence. WH type of interrogative sentence are those sentences that start with the WH question word, like when, what, why, where, etc. That sentence is known as WH type of interrogative sentence. So active voice of WH type of interrogative sentence is, first we write WH question word plus does or do according to subject plus first form of the verb plus object plus other word plus question mark. It is the formation of WH type of interrogative. When we convert into passive form, rule is first of all we write WH question word, then according to object is MR is written plus object plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject plus other word and plus question mark. Here the example, first example is, why do you play hockey? Okay student, then passive voice of why do you play hockey is, why is hockey played by you. Why is the WH question word and hockey is there? Then is. Because it is a singular. Then we write is. Then third form of the verb. Then by plus you and at last question mark. Okay student, I think you understand the rule very clearly, and on the basis of this rule I give you some exercises depend on these rules. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.